Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be showing you how to prevent anyone from seeing your phone number in Telegram on PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you have the latest version installed. Step 2. Look for the 3 lines icon at the top left corner of the screen and click on it. Step 3. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Step 4. In the Settings menu, choose Privacy and Security. Step 5. Locate the phone number option and click on it. Step 6. Next, you'll see a circle next to Nobody. Tap on it to turn it blue. Step 7. Finally, click on Save to apply the changes, and there you have it. Your phone number is now hidden from anyone on Telegram. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, protecting your privacy is important. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.